Hi, my name is Dinesh RK Maisa, and my matric card number is 25DEE19F1067. And my supervisor name is Ijaz Abdul Salam bin Saad. And my project title is Arduino Mini Game. For my introduction is my project Arduino Mini Game is used for children and men or women who wants to release their stress. For children, this mini game is a better choice as it does not affect their eyesight. For my project, the main part that I used to make this project done is Arduino Pro Micro because it have a Mega 32U4 chip to upload the game easily. Next is for the 7-pin OLED display. I use this 0.96 inch for the size because it is small and in accordance for my project. Lastly, for my project, it has 291 games that can be uploaded using phone. For my problem statement, nowadays, many children have an eyesight problem because of smartphone. The smartphone display can make the children's eyes become worse. In my research, there are 60% of the children's eyes are having an eyesight problem because of the smartphone display. The next problem is nowadays many of smartphone and console game are bigger and heavy as it inconvenient. After that, some console games use non-rechargeable battery because it is not sustainable. Lastly, some console game having the same game and the children can get bored easily. For my objective, I use 7-pin OLED display to make this project done and it's safe for children's eyes. Next, I use LiPo battery that is small and not heavy to make this project light and can last longer. For the last one, is it have 291 games that can play the games and it upload using smartphone, which is easier to use. This is my schematic diagram that I used to make the PCB design. My block diagram. This is the block diagram for my project. The main part for my project is the Arduino Pro Micro because it controls the button, LCD OLED display, lithium battery, USB-C charger, and last is LiPo battery and slide switch on off. This is my design that I use for my project. This design is simple and good for my project, and the length is 8 cm and the height is 4 cm. This is my cost product. The total of my cost product list of item is 85 ringgit and 80 cents. For my impact, the OLED display can prevent eyesight. This project is small and light that can easily put in the pocket and can bring it anywhere. It has 291 different games that can play and not easily to get bored. My conclusion. In conclusion, this project is good for children eyesight and men. Next, the combination about the Arduino Pro Micro is splendid for this project because of the size and the chip that the Arduino Pro Micro use. After that, this project is small and it's easier to bring it anywhere. Lastly, this mini project have 291 games that the children or men can play the games. The games also is interesting which children or men are not get boring easily. That's all. Thank you. Hai, ini adalah hasil projek saya bersaiz kecil dan ini adalah Arduino Pro Micro, bateri LiPo dan juga chargeable bateri lah yang kita untuk charge bateri nanti. Dan ini OLED display, slide switch, button dan buzzer. Okay, sekarang saya dah upload game, memang dah boleh main. Ni Kung Fu game boleh lawan-lawan lah. Okay, lepas tu kalau kita nak tukar game, kita akan upload guna phone. Saya dah buka ada app je, so kita pakai yang ini untuk upload. Offkan switch untuk uploadkan game. Okay. Okay, upload. Nah, dia kena download dulu. Lepas tu kita execute. Okay, dia uploading complete. Lepas tu ni game baru. So kita buka, kita on kan, dan game baru. So macam tu lah game. Sekian itu saja. Terima kasih.